the surge in COVID-19 cases across the country, there seems to be a frenzy among citizens. From politicians to celebrities and commoners, everyone's sharing their viewpoints on how one can remain safe during these trying times. However, more often than not, celebs are at the receiving end of negative comments on social media. The latest celeb to get trolled for sharing her viewpoint about the COVID-19 pandemic is Pooja Bedi. The actress took to her Twitter account to share her advice on how the COVID situation can be handled. However, disgruntled netizens didn't take Pooja's tweet very well. The actress was severely trolled after she wrote, "My personal viewpoint is to keep senior citizens and those with comorbidities safe and under a lockdown protocol. However, it's crucial to economy and to livelihoods to let everyone else function, live and work normally. Stress, lack of exercise, fear and financial losses only amplifies illness." An angry netizen hit back at Pooja Bedi saying, "As a public personality who can influence people in plenty, if you are giving expert opinion on specialities that aren't really your domain, you should also be taking responsibility if something goes wrong and if somebody develops complications listening to your advice." Pooja responded to the comment saying, "Is government or vaccine company taking responsibility for everyone who dies after taking a vaccine?" Earlier, Pooja shared a video from her trip to Goa and was severely trolled for the same. "Live your life while you are on this planet. The only guarantee in life is death. It's inevitable. What matters is how you live, and it certainly shouldn't be in a state of continuous fear and uncertainty. It's already stolen one whole year of our lives. Life is not meant to be lived in fear, suffocating mass, and concrete cages," the actress wrote as she shared the video.
So what do? Monday morning in Goa, well, you head out to Mandram Beach, like I have, and you come to this beautiful beach. And my fiancé, son and Meghna are, let me flip the camera, stand-up paddleboarding. What fun! The joys of being in Goa. That's my fiancé, that's Meghna, and that's my son, Omar.
Angry netizens flooded Pooja's comments section with negative messages, and that's what we call an uneducated literate. Thanks for being the perfect example. It will just be easier to direct people towards this post of yours who want to know the meaning of that phrase, one netizen wrote.